Welcome to Colliers Wood Shop. Thank you for purchasing a bench. Now I'm going to show you how to put your bench together. We sell a bench in two different styles, with a shelf and without. So when you get the bench without the shelf, you'll have three pieces, 1, 2, 3. When you purchase with a shelf, you'll have a shelf. Okay, you'll need two tools or one of these tools. You can either just have a Phillips screwdriver to put it together, or you can have a drill. The important thing with the drill is to set this to 12. Don't have it all the way over here on the drill because it just puts too much force on it and can strip it out. So I like to start at a 12 and go from there. Okay. So lay your bench out on a carpeted area or somewhere and take it out of the box and put this down like this. You're gonna find little markings on these here, A. Then you'll come over here to this and you'll see your A there. And you just put this in. Now this is important here that we keep this tight together as we go to start it, because if it's loose off of it like that and the screw comes in, then it's going to have a tendency to wobble. So you just want to keep all that tight. And then you just want to take your screws and then the leg will be tight, will not be loose. I put all these together before I ship them, so every bench that we sell is put together and checked before it ships. And you just come over here and repeat the process for B. You're going to see the little B there, and then obviously a little B right there. And you just come in here like this, and again, hold it tight. Okay. I like to drill myself, but you could do that whole process with the screwdriver as well. So now, if you've got just the bench, is what you bought, you're basically complete. You stand this up, and there's your bench. Okay, so you bought the one with the shelf option, you got one more step. You leave the bench like this, and then you're gonna see little marks here, C and D, and then on your shelf here, you're going to see a D and a C as well. So this is very important here. You just lay this in here and then just sit in. I like to make sure that it's level here or flush right there. Now, this is critical because you can't over tighten here. If you over tighten here, it will chip that or break that out. So I just come in till it's taut, just a little bit there, and then I'll take the rest and I'll take a little screwdriver and put a turn, half turn to a turn on it to get the rest of the way in. Now, what you don't need to be as tight, because this is stopping the shelf from falling down. And you want to come over here and make sure this is taut on here or flush, and then you just want to push this back a little bit. Pull that into like that, and then when you got a gap like that, how to pull in, and just take your screwdriver, go that last little bit. But it doesn't need to be a lot, because it's going to keep, just having the screw there keeps it from falling down. And then we take and we flip this over. And there you have your bench with the shelf. This bench here was done with brown stain. This is a brown stain with a shelf. That's the way this bench is. We do offer it in plain pine, We do offer it also in a gray, and I can customize benches as well. So just let me know if you need something custom on it. But this is basically how you put our benches together. Again, thank you very much for purchasing a bench from us. Thank you very much and have a great day.